go ahead, Axton. Got it? Okay, we're going to solder this one to the top of the nail also, so I'm going to heat it up. And remember, Tristan, you're not going to move it once we get it going. Okay, hold it there, Tristan. Hold it there.
Where's the battery going to go?
Good job. Let's do the black one on this side.
Yeah, this is where I kind of moved over.
That's all right. It's still strong. It's fine. Just 1 second. Okay, we're going to solder this one to this side. Just kind of hold it there, just. Okay, excellent job. Okay, shut that right. Okay, go ahead, Tristan. You guys can do it. That looks great. That's okay. That's all right. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put this resistor across those two nails. Okay. Okay, we're going to solder. We're going to solder it over here. We're going to clean the tip. Just make sure it's clear, Cody. Then I'll do the other side.